Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on apps and notifications. Now let's tap on advanced and tap on special app access. Here we have to find the option install unknown apps, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So all you have to do in order to allow the, for example, Google Drive to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the drive is allowed to install something. But be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so sometimes you may put your data and actually your device on the risk. Of course, you can turn off all the permissions you've previously given. Just tap on the option you'd like to turn off and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the drive is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.